What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Today, you're not going to believe what I found at Sam's Club. And I don't normally use charcoal briquettes. I use long, preferably Fogo or Jealous Devil. But I could not pass up Miller Lite Beercoal from Kingsford. Miller Lite is one of my favorite beers. So if I could drink it and eat it, I'll be happy. So we're going to give this a try and see if it actually makes a difference. I'm going to throw this on the S&S slow and sear. We got some Johnsonville beer brats. I diced up some peppers and onions. Just put a little SPG on them. And I ground up some meat for some burgers. So we're going to do some burgers and over at the S&S kettle grill. Let's open the charcoal. So it's pulled from front and the whole back side tears off. Yeah. So first thing I noticed, there is chunks of wood in there. I don't smell any beer. But get some of this on. Is that enough? Find out. Now, I'm not a fan of lighter fluid or anything else. I always use a fire starter, so that's what I'm going to do. All right, I'm going to get this lit, cook these brats and burgers, and we'll be back, and I'll let you know how the results turned out. All right, let's let the grate get hot, and then all right, so the grill's up to about 450 degrees, which is really hot. Grab a grill rescue grill brush real quick. Clean it. It's a nice little cleaning. I don't know. I'm gonna have to throw this on. Get these peppers going. Mix them up a little bit. Sit in there. Try to get this grill to come down a little bit. I don't want to put these brats on with it being too hot and have them burst. All right, we got the temperature down now a little bit. I'm gonna come over here and try to move some of these coals around. No, my hip. Move over there for some indirect, a little bit of indirect heat. All right, brats are done. Burger patty's done. Now it's time to see how it turned out with Kingsford Miller Lite beer clips. It's a nice juicy beer brat. Cut them into coins. And we'll get some people over here to see if they taste any difference between Kingsford and regular lump, if it's beery or not beery. Would you like to try some?
Yes.
Come do a taster! All right.
Okay.
Brat tasters. Brat,
Very good.
would it taste like Miller Lite?
No, but they're really juicy and dry.
It reminds me that I want to drink Miller Lite.
Or they're hot. Yeah, it's really good. It's super juicy.
That's just because I cook it well. Here's a burger patty. Try the burger. Does it taste like Miller Lite?
No, what?
I don't taste it.
No.
Did you get any smoke? I didn't get any smoke
No.
flavor.
You can tell though you ground that meat.
It is good.
It's like breakfast sauce.
There's a burger on.
There is no really smoke. You're right.
I taste smoke in the burger.
Come stand over here.
If you handed it to me and asked me what was this cooked on, and I thought about it, I would call it smoke and grill at that truckle. You can taste it.
I don't get anything with the sausage.
It's not very strong, but it's
See, that's
initial.
weird. I get
As
more
soon
with
as
the
you-
sausage than I do with the burger.
It's initial as soon as you taste it, and then it goes away. You don't taste it again. It's only at first.
That's
What do you want? Beef?
sausage. I'll do it. I just want your meat in my
I'll
mouth.
put my meat in your mouth. I mean, there's not even any thick color. Smoke.
Say he wants his meat in his mouth, he just grabs it and takes it. It's the same.
Here's our video.
Oh,
I don't
I would
think
like to try your sausage, not Bounceville Brats.
I never made a beer brat. I think that
Yeah, JD, like,
the Miller Lite charcoal,
Can I have the burnt end?
yeah, is it's $1 more
yeah,
than a regular Kingsford.
I do like that cedar.
Pick it up and dry
That's
it.
really nice.
See what you think, especially if you use Kingsford all the time, or if you use regular briquettes. I don't use them. I use lump. So to me,
Fine, that'll-
you're just not getting the woody smoke flavor that I normally get. Pick it up and try it. It's not that much of a difference. You're not really paying for too much extra, so go for it. And we'll see you next time.